Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Digital Dialogue Hub. Today, we have a special guest. Her name is Beth, and she's from California. But let's introduce ourselves. So, I'll start with me. So, my name is Sandy. I'm originally from Panama. I live currently in Surrey, BC, Canada. I work in the movie industry, and I'm a digital business owner.
And
Ayo?
good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ayo. I'm an IT professional. I am a mom, and I am presently based in Canada, Ontario, to be precise. And I run my digital business on the side. It's nice to be here today again.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Helen. I'm originally from Nigeria, living in Canada. I am a digital business owner and a nurse. So
Thank you,
today
Helen.
we're gonna bring our guest in, Beth. So when she comes in, she's gonna introduce herself.
Hey,
Hi,
Beth.
Beth.
Hi, Beth.
Hi, everybody.
Thanks
Hi.
for coming.
I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Thank you for
Thank you.
having me.
Thank
Thank
you for
you.
That,
coming.
I'm able to just inspire, encourage, and bring a lot of value to our viewers today. So, shall I introduce myself now?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, so as previously said, my name is Beth Sharon, everyone. I'm a mom. I live here in San Francisco, California. I'm originally from the Philippines. I work full time as an engineer, and on the side, I'm a successful digital business owner, just like these women on the screen here. I'm so happy to be here, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you for
So
coming.
much. Okay, so let's start with the first question.
Yes.
So we know that many people start a digital business for various reasons. Can you tell us why you chose a digital business?
Yes, definitely. So, unfortunately, I am in a very deep or very high debt, whichever way you look at it, right? It's either mountain high or very deep in the hole. But my financial situation is not in the best. Uh, not in a best place. So when I saw this digital business, I was intrigued. Yeah, I was very much intrigued. When I reached out to the digital business owner, so to get more information. So when I got more information about it, and then I was getting more excited, and so really I kind of moved along the process very fast. Because I wanted my financial situation to change. Um, yeah. Yeah. So, I have three children. I'm kind of more the primary caregiver for them. Aside from that, just a lot from the past. Yeah, I have made a lot of poor financial decisions, and so when I saw this one, to me it was it was like hope. It's like a fireball of hope that kind of came to my life, and so I kind of grabbed onto the opportunity right away. Yeah, but really it's to get out of debt. My dream is to American dream, right? So I'm from the US. So over here we talk a lot about the American dream. But then after being here for so long already, I've been here for, I want to say, over 30 years now.
Mhm.
Then where's the American dream, right? It's still far away from my grasp. So I've always been wanting to have my own home. Right now, I'm still renting. So aside from having a huge amount of debt, I don't want my children to be burdened by that. Right now, my oldest one is 10. So by the time he's an adult, I don't want them to be forced with this burden, right? If anything happens to me, so I want to get out of debt. I want to be able to buy my own home and so many other things. Of course, serving the community, giving back, and all that. Like all of that is all part of the dream. So that's my hope. And I know, like, even working already in the US for over 20 years as an engineer, it hasn't happened yet, right? Again, a lot of poor financial decisions on my part. So
Mhm.
I'm learning, and I know that with just my salary alone, those dreams are not gonna happen. They're just
It's
not
true.
in the cards. So I needed an extra a side hustle, or a plan B, right, to
Mm-hmm.
help me achieve those dreams and goals. So when
Mhm.
I saw this one, I feel like, oh, I've been looking for so long. I tried
Mhm.
so many side hustles. So when I saw this one, yeah, I grabbed on it right away.
Mhm.
Mhm. Yes, like what you said, like, no matter our profession,
Yeah,
the money we make can never be enough. There is no way we can
yeah,
achieve our dreams with just what we make.
yeah,
We need a side hustle, especially during these difficult times. You know,
yes,
we really need something on the side to help us.
mm-hmm.
And I like the idea that you said that you want to finish your debt
Yeah,
before purchasing a home. That is a very important decision there for your kids.
yeah,
Like you don't want to leave debt for them.
yeah,
So taking
exactly.
care of your debt and buying a home, is the best decision. Then
Yeah,
after that, you'll be settled. You're not thinking about any debt.
yeah, I
That's
can't
nice.
wait.
I just love that.
Yeah, I
I love
can't
that.
wait.
Thank you. Thank
Mm-hmm.
you.
Okay, so let's go to the second question.
Okay. So I know that it's normal for you to be skeptical about things,
Yeah,
right?
mm-hmm.
But then I was skeptical as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
mm-hmm.
So do you want to touch on, for those that are listening right now, or those that will still listen, but then they are skeptical about not only this kind of business, but then a lot of things that they wish to do, but then because of being skeptical, they are not able to move forward, right? Do you want to
Yeah.
just touch on that, on what you think that can, if you are too skeptical, right? What can happen to you?
Yeah. So yeah, of course I was skeptical too. But I mentioned earlier that I moved along the process really quickly
Mm-hmm.
because even though I was skeptical, I love that, with our business, we are really provided all the information we need
Mm-hmm.
even before we make any sort of commitment.
Mm-hmm.
So to me, the skepticism kind of went, decreased and decreased. It got smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
Um, and also my need was much more. My need for a change was
Yeah.
much more. And so even though I was skeptical, I also knew that I needed to give it a try
Mm-hmm.
because I didn't want to wonder what if. Because in our community, right, like once we reach out to the digital business owner,
Mm-hmm.
they have the option to add us to their private community, and so in that private community, you get to see people's results, people's success,
Yeah.
and to me, that spoke more to me than my skepticism.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I wanted those results too. I wanted their success too,
Yeah.
because I figure, if they can do it,
Mm.
why can't I do it? Nothing special about the other people, right? I
Yeah.
mean, all the same. We all educated. We all, and some people, not educated. Like all types of background are here, so
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. So when I saw that, I really wanted to give it a try. I got excited actually,
Yeah.
after a while. I couldn't wait to start.
Mhm.
I couldn't sleep. Like, oh my gosh, I think this is it. I'm gonna be able to pay off my debt.
Right.
So if you're too skeptical, again, we hear you, right? I hear you.
Mm.
But sometimes, yeah, that can work against you in the sense
Mm.
and then you won't take any actions, right? Especially if because only I'm talking to our audience, only know
Yeah.
your financial need, your true financial situation. Because
Mm-hmm.
sometimes even in social media, we can kind of portray a certain way, like we're living this way, but then behind closed doors, we are struggling, right? So only
Mm-hmm.
your true financial situation and your true financial need. So
Yeah.
if you are someone who's truly needing a change, who's truly
Mm-hmm.
needing to transform your financial situation,
Yeah.
get information. That's all. At least I ask or I recommend is get the information, because as amazing as this business is, it's not for everybody either. So
Mhm.
what if it's for you, right? It's easy to just say no and shut off the opportunity. But what if it turns out to be what you've been praying for all
Mm.
this time? So you don't want to withhold that from your family, right?
Yeah.
You don't want
Mhm.
your family to suffer, the blessing, like to not have the blessings because of
Mm-hmm.
your skepticism.
Yeah.
So that's all I would say is really get information. Again, here we provide all the information that you will need first before you even before you commit. So that's why it's great. We want you to have, we want you to make informed decision. We want you to make the most educated decision, with a digital business. So I hope that helps.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thank you so
Yeah,
much for
thank
sharing.
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Yeah, we do understand, like, and I would say, like, many of us, maybe not everybody, was skeptical when they saw the business. But
Yeah.
we know that skeptical is not a bad thing, right?
Yes.
But it becomes bad when you do not act on it.
Yeah, that's
You don't
true.
take action. You just look at, oh, forget about it. And like you said, you never knew where your savior
Yeah.
is gonna come. So if you don't
Mm-hmm.
try it, being because you are skeptical, there's no way you can make it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
I agree.
I like what you just said there.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so the next question. So when did you actually believe that this business was a legitimate, successful business?
Yeah. So this one, so I mentioned earlier that we have the option to be added to the private community, and then we get to see the regular people who are doing the business, right? And so I was starting to stalk their pages. Those who are having good results, I would click on their profile, and
Mm-hmm.
I would able to see how they're living, the things that they are claiming, right?
Mm-hmm.
So those are one way for me to see if these people are real.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and then the second one was, the person that I reached out to, who turned out to be now, my business partner, right, my mentor. So I was also following her page as the time goes on, because I didn't reach out right away. It took me a few months. Because I had another side hustle at the time that I was happy with. So I
Mm-hmm.
didn't see my need at that very moment that I first was seeing about this. But when the other side hustle slowed down and I really I need it like right away, right? A side hustle. So I reached out to this lady. So I was seeing her post, and then I saw that people were posting about their kids, because to me, posting about your kids, that's very like private, right? Because you want your kids to be safe. So the
Mhm.
point that you are willing to expose your kids, that means you have to have a level of legitimacy there. This person has to be true, like a real mom, her husband, right?
Yes,
How
yes.
they're living their life. So to me,
Mhm.
that's a big good indication that this is a legitimate business. And then another thing was, the fact that people here pay taxes. Okay, so to
Mhm.
me that means, so if you're paying taxes, that means there has to be connection to the federal government, at least in the
Yeah.
US, right? So I'm like, oh, okay, well then, they're paying taxes, they're showing, their family, their kids, how they're living, all that. So to me, there has to be legitimate. And then when I decided to become a digital business owner, I had to fill out paperwork myself, right? So again, another green flag, not red flag, right? So
Yeah,
green flag. And then the ultimate indicator was my first checks. When I received my first few checks, which was after a few weeks after I became a digital business owner, then to me that was really the proof of concept, which
Mm-hmm.
means, okay, this business is legit, this business is real, proof of concept.
Mm-hmm.
So there was no turning back from there. So so many green lights that
Mm-hmm.
I saw here actually.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
And the global,
Yes.
you have everybody there, like people
Yes.
from different countries. So there's no way they can come together and start
Yes.
teaching everyone, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
there are
That's
different
true.
people, and all the time, like during our meeting, this person made this much, this person made this
Yeah.
much. So it just yeah, yeah. So just there's nothing hidden about the
Yeah.
business. They
Mhm.
Everything is out there.
Yeah.
People see
Mhm.
everything, but you
Yes.
see when you come in, right? You
Yeah.
can see from the outside.
Yeah. You have to go in through the door.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Okay, so I know that when it comes to giving to charity, that is
Yeah.
personal, right?
Yes.
No matter how much, some people make little and still give to charity. Some people
Yeah.
make a lot. The more you make, the more you give.
Yeah.
So, and many in our community are supporting
Yeah.
uh, charitable organization. Are you doing the same?
So I'm doing little right now, to be honest. Okay, but this
Mhm,
is definitely one of my biggest, hope. As you gain more, right, then your generosity also increases. So
mhm, mhm,
I have a local church that I go to, wherein I give here and there on Sundays, and then I have family in the Philippines where they ask help,
mhm,
right?
mhm,
So
mhm,
I also give here and there. But
mhm,
again, like I said, my actually in my vision board, when that happens, right, in my vision board, I would like to be able to establish like a school for the kids or a foster
mhm,
home for the kids,
mhm,
like
mhm.
things for the kids I can give back, to the community someday.
Mhm,
Unfortunately, I'm not there today, but that
mhm.
is definitely the long-term goal and the long-term hope is to be able to give back in that way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, like there's nothing like giving. It's
Yeah.
fulfilling, right?
Yeah.
When you give, you feel happier,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just, yeah. I believe that everyone should be giving to
Yeah.
the less unfortunate if they
Yeah.
have. Yeah. So
Mhm.
if you have it and put it in your pocket, it's somehow, it's somehow.
Thank you. Uh-huh.
Okay, so the next question. Oh, you're muted. Sorry.
So, as a mother, how has the business helped you in your relationship with your kids?
Yeah. So this business, guys, really, I feel like it's igniting a lot of fire in me, in the sense that I'm starting to dream again. So in turn, I feel like I'm more happy with the business. And so when I'm more happy, then my kids also are not as stressed, right? So I'm
Yeah.
not as stressed.
Mhm,
I'm sleeping more now, whereas before I almost work like around the clock, 24/7. Again, trying
mhm,
to, earn dollar here and there, right?
Mhm.
Trying to make ends meet.
mhm.
So you can imagine how stressful that can be when you're lack of sleep, stress financially. That makes me very grumpy, and so my kids, unfortunately, sometimes gets the effects of
Feelings.
your
Yeah.
attitude, right? Whereas where you're more happy, with this business, and then sleeping more. I'm also trying to take care of myself more. I started going to the gym also because I
Mhm.
can afford with this one. So trying to
Yeah.
take care of myself more so that
Yeah.
I can be better for my kid, for my
Mhm.
family.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I feel like it has helped in a good way, because those things are good, right? Like sleeping more, becoming more healthy, taking care of them more, and
Mhm.
then um, there was one thing, but it is escaping my mind. Um, it's escaping my mind. I had it in my mind and then it's escaping. But okay, so yeah, spending time with them more. Oh, I love that my kids are happy to be involved with this one. So sometimes I go live and then they go on live with me.
Right.
Okay, just love going to the mailbox. They're happy. My son is now helping me with my Facebook account. He's
Oh, that's
10,
good.
but
That's good.
he's very. This is their generation, right? They're very technologically
Yeah.
kind, and then yeah, I try to get them involved as much as I can because I want them to experience. I want them to immerse themselves in the fun of it all.
Mhm.
Of all the business.
Mhm.
Um, so yeah, I feel like it's having us it's bringing us closer in the sense,
Yeah.
and better relationship that way.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
yeah, I love it. Yeah, I really love it.
Awesome.
Yeah. It seems like that kids are like the husbands, They don't really believe until they see you go into their mailbox to get the checks, right?
Yeah,
When
and
they
it's so
start seeing the
cute.
checks,
Yeah, it's
hey,
so cute.
oh, give me this.
They try to, like race, right? Who can get to the mailbox first?
Yeah.
Yes,
And then
yes.
my daughter, I'm training her to do the depositing.
Wow.
Oh,
So,
good.
so that they see that it's a real thing,
Mhm.
that it's, really helping us. Each time I try, I'm because before I would always say no, like, Mom, can we buy this? Can we go out here? It's always no, right? No, no, no.
Yeah.
And then now, little by little, it's becoming yes. It's okay. We can go out to either
Mhm.
dinner or lunch, and then I make sure that I explain to them. This is from our digital business.
Mhm,
So when
mhm,
mommy is working, then don't give me a hard time because this is what's allowing us to
Mm.
have these extra
Yeah.
experiences.
Mhm.
Um,
mhm, mhm,
so yeah,
That's
mhm. And thank you for that. And also about the irritability, when we are
yeah,
working too much,
yeah,
when we are not feeling well, it affects our kids.
yes,
And we
mm,
sometimes we take it on them, right?
yes.
Like I have two kids, like especially when I before, like years back, I was doing like almost, I would say like 7 nights in a row. And when I'm sleeping and I hear the little one crying, because she is fighting with the older one, I'll go after the old guy. Allow me to sleep. This, that.
Yeah,
I was like, it's not good.
yeah, not
When
good.
we
Yeah,
are stressed, affect our children.
yeah,
So this is why that we need something on the side so that we can reduce our stress and
yeah.
concentrate on our children.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Yeah,
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 Mhm.
thank
I
you.
agree. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So, Ayo, what about you? You have kids, so
Absolutely. And they keep me busy, I would say. They always want to get your attention, right? So
Yes,
this is the time you can give to them.
mm,
And they
yes,
already know that, yes, you're running a business and they know you're doing it for the family. So definitely they want to be in it, they want to participate and then enjoy the time and money together.
yeah,
yeah.
yes,
Yes.
yes. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Oh, Helen, it's you.
I thought it's you. Okay, I can go
Oh,
ahead.
yeah, it's
So
okay.
it's okay. So give us mm, uh, give okay, if you could give one piece of advice to people who are watching us
Mm-hmm.
today, just
What would it be?
what
Just
advice?
one?
Just one. If you have
So many.
give, please.
Yeah, I think one, okay, only one. It would be, to go for it. Like, really don't wait, don't waste time. Um, so especially if you've been curious, right? Especially if you've been seeing this a while, there's something in you that's kind of gravitating towards the business. So, don't wait, get
Mhm,
information, and then so that you're not wondering. You don't want
mhm.
to be forever wondering. I know for me, I don't want to be in that place where I'm like wondering. I want to see.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to see what's behind the curtains.
Mhm.
Yeah, you might be surprised. That's the thing is, you see, you might be surprised, and then with any business, it takes time to grow.
Yeah.
With any business, so you don't want, and then once time passes, you cannot get that back. So you don't want to, regret, right? So, if I were you, you've been seeing this, you know that your family needs it, reach
Mhm.
out, to a digital business owners, as many of us here. So reach out and get information and then go for it. Like, what do you have to lose? I know for me, I'm in a ton of debt, a ton, and yet here I am, a successful digital business owner. There are so many ways that you can explore to be able to, start the digital business.
Mhm.
So yeah, I wouldn't wait. Like, I know I didn't want to wait because I didn't want time to pass. And then, 2 years later, I'm in the same situation or
Mhm,
worse.
mhm,
Mm.
mhm,
It's usually
yes.
it's not better. It's usually the same or worse.
Mhm,
Mhm.
mhm,
Mhm.
Because expenses doesn't come down,
Yeah.
and then you're fighting against inflation, you're fighting against all these
mhm,
things.
mhm.
Yeah, don't worry about what other people will think of you. Worry about what your family will think of you. That's
Yes,
the
Mhm.
opinion
yes.
that matters most. I know,
Mhm,
when my kids, right, when I look at them, I want to be able to, from the bottom of my heart, I want to express to them that I'm doing my very best. Okay, we might not have it all, we might not
Yeah.
be at the place where we want, right?
Mhm.
But I know that I'm doing my very best.
Mhm.
So, we want to be able to look at our kids, with that kind of heart. Don't worry about what people outside of your household
mhm,
thinks.
mhm,
Mhm.
mhm,
Yeah.
In the grand scheme of things, it doesn't matter. You do what you need to do for your family. So
Mhm.
that's my advice. Really, is to go for it. Really, it's a great thing. Like,
mhm.
I have not heard one digital business owner who have regretted it.
Oh.
Yeah.
If anything, it's like, oh, I wish I started sooner. I wish
Mhm,
I started,
mhm,
long
Yeah.
before. That's
mhm.
how I feel. I wish I saw this before, like many years ago. But I saw it, and now I've been doing this for 16 months. Again, great 16 months. I cannot wait for to hit my 2-year anniversary,
Mhm.
3 year, 4, 5 years, right? All the possibilities. It's so exciting to even think about it. But yeah, if my advice would be, yeah, don't waste time, guys.
Mhm.
Especially if you know that your family needs it. Because see, sometimes, yeah, there are those who sees this, and if their family might not need it at the moment, that's fine. But if you know your family needs it, then jump the gun, jump the boat,
Mhm. Yeah.
whatever it is. So don't waste time.
Yeah. Thank you for that question.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
And also, like, when people join their business, they should not think first about money, right? Because
Yeah,
people make on their own pace. If I make money today, he might make tomorrow. So if we come in today and see this person making money, why am I not making money? You'll be sad. So don't think about
yeah,
money when you're coming into the business. Think
yeah,
about what the business is gonna give to you. Not
yeah,
now, maybe later,
yeah.
right?
Yeah, it's not a
Thank
get rich
you.
quick, guys. So if that's something you're looking for, then this is not the place. Definitely, this
Mhm.
requires
Yeah,
hard work. But to me, you work hard and you will see results. It's almost
it's true.
impossible that you don't get
Yeah.
any
Mhm,
any results back.
Mhm.
mhm,
Mhm.
So that's what's different with other businesses that I have tried, because I have tried so many. With this one, you see your efforts get compensated, right? You get results. But yeah, it takes a little bit of time to build. It's like a little tree or like a little baby,
mhm,
and then
mhm.
you nurture it. Especially in the beginning, that's when a lot of the nurturing is required.
Yeah.
And then as it grows, then you uh, enjoy more of its fruits, right? Its benefits more and more and more later.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah, like one of our one of our guests, she mentioned about an apple tree. When you plant an apple tree, there's nothing there. You'll be waiting for a long time.
yes,
When it grows, it's a lot.
yes,
You
and
get
then
it?
it starts
I want
falling
you
by
to come and
itself.
get some. Come and get some. It's too much,
Yes,
right?
that's when then
Yeah.
you start giving it away, right? Because it,
Yes. Yes.
yeah, yeah, I love that analogy too. Yeah, that's
Mhm, mhm. Thank you very much. Thank you for
thank
coming.
you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much for
Thank
having
you.
me.
Thank you. So,
So when I talk about like do like a little conclusion of what we talked today. So we talk about people who are skeptics, like just to make sure that like it's okay to be a skepticist, but do your research, find about the business, and don't stay there, because otherwise your life is not going to change. You're going to still in the same place. So
No.
mhm,
you want to
mhm,
be able to move forward.
mhm,
Mhm.
We also talk about the relationship, how the business helps in the to having a better relationship between, the parents and the kids.
Mm-hmm.
It allows, like to be able to have the income and have more time for you to have more time with your family and have that bond relationship that is required
Mm-hmm.
for that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
And also, the giving the advice to people, don't stay, do your research. Like a lot of people join the business for different reasons. It's not only for income. Like
Mm-hmm.
sometimes um, there's like an opportunity, like somebody was saying, like what the business saved their life. There was one person in the community that, like that they joined the business. It was because, they saved their life.
Mm-hmm.
So there's different reasons, like for example, like be able to overcome your financial debts, or
Mm-hmm.
be able to have income for your retirement,
Mm-hmm.
for to be able to travel, to have money for travel and all
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to follow us in our pages, they're just on the top on the screen. You can learn more about the business through our posting, and also, through the other lives that we do.
Mm-hmm.
You also can learn more about the business by registering to our website that appear on the screen with your name and email address. And then once you register, you will receive an invitation to our free webinar where you're going to learn more about how the business works, and
Mm-hmm.
then more stories about the business in the community.
Yeah.
So we want to thank you today very much, Beth, for coming and sharing your story and your experience, like in the business journey.
Mhm.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
and we
Thank
also want
you.
to thank the viewers that are watching us through the live, and for those watching the replay.
Yeah.
So until next time for another episode for the Digital Dialogue.
Mm-hmm.
Dialogue. So
Thank you.
see you
Thank
until
you.
next time.
Bye.
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 Bye. Thank you, guys.